All right, a continuation of Unit 3, Lesson 5, Skill 4, multiply by FOIL. FOIL is another way of distributing. It's actually the same way as distributing. They just decided to give this example a name. When you have a binomial times another binomial, you can do something called FOIL. It's a way they've made up a word, like please excuse my dear Aunt Spally, to remind you of the steps so to make sure you get all the different terms, okay? So if you have, I'm going to write it down here for a second, 4x plus 7y, that's a binomial, and you're going to multiply by 3x minus 2y. We're definitely going to be distributing this here, 12x squared, and now we're giving it a name. That's the F part of the word FOIL, the first terms, okay? And then this one to this one would be negative 8xy. That would be the outside, the inside, and the last, that was an I, last is an L, negative 14y squared. So notice when there's two letters, two variables, okay, this first goes first, the second goes back here at the end, and then you have the mixed like terms in the middle that you need to combine. Typically, in the text, you will see them in alphabetical order, and this would be considered the proper order for multiplying these together and ending up with this binomial with the mixed in the middle. This is considered proper order for this particular example with the two variables, okay? They're just giving a name to something you already know how to do. So first times first, 24x squared, right? 6 times 4 is 24. Then x to the first times x to the first is the same as x plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? Then there's 6 times 3 is 18x. You can put them underneath, go 8x and negative 6, 24x squared plus 10x minus 6, and that's your answer, okay? For this one here, let me do the example up here, which I totally skipped. Hang on. Wait a minute. All right, for this example, I prefer, you can do them however you like to do them. I could distribute this one here and here. I just think it's shorter to keep with the foiling first. This would be 15x squared, negative 6x, negative 9x, positive 8. These two combine like terms, 5x squared minus 15x plus 8. Put that back in the parentheses and bring in that last term down, okay? Then distribute that one. It's a personal preference. It's up to you how you want to do that. I like working with the smaller numbers, and if I throw the 2x in first, it makes the numbers a little bigger, but that is, again, up to you. Wait, on my key I have a different number. Did I mess that up? 15, 6, 20. Oh, I added. See, you guys are not the only ones to do that. What'd I do? I did a negative 4 times 5, should be a negative 20. So that's a negative 26 that we're putting a 2 into. 26 times 20 times 2 is 52, negative 52x squared. Sorry about that. All right. let's see. So this one times this one's x squared, negative 2x, positive 3x, negative 6. Combine like terms, x squared plus x minus 6. That's a positive 3x and a negative 2x. That leaves you left over positive 1x times 5x. 5 times 1 is 5. X to the first power times x to the second power is, adding them together would be x to the third power, plus 5 times 1 is 5, x to the second, right? And then negative 30x. This one is 1b times 3b is 3b, right? 1 times 3 is 3. 2 b's though. Negative 7b, negative 21b, positive 49. Combine like terms. Whoop. Do not write 2 b's. Just getting to be in a hurry here. Plus 49. Okay. And then this one, let's try this nice and slow. 2 times 9 is 18. X times x to the, that's 3. This one. That one. I find it difficult to talk and multiply sometimes. Let's see. 8 times 9 is 72. Minus, so 8 times a negative 1 is a negative 8x. And negative 7 times 8 is negative 56. So I think this method kind of works well if you line up like with like, the 2's under that. And then this one, if you want to write it all out, I don't do well with this, but I'm going to try. My problem comes with the sign, so this would be, I guess you're just adding all of these. Kind of running out of room doing that. Let's see. Plus a, I'm going to have to go up here. I don't like writing up there, but this is the other problem doing this one this way. There's not a lot of room to write like that. I may have to check this one again. All right, this is 8y to the third. This is negative 48y squared. This is 48y. This is negative y squared. This is positive 6y. This is negative 6. That gets us a couple of y squareds. 8y to the third minus 48. No, plus. So negative 48. Wait. Negative 48. I don't like doing it this way. Sorry, hang on. Negative 48 plus another negative 1 is a negative. Hang on. I'm going to do it the other way. Just check in a minute. Negative 49y squared. Don't change the things. This one here. Plus 54y minus 6. That's what I have on the key. So there's a couple of different methods to try. Okay? I think that's it.